Hey guys, welcome back. Driving home from work. It's morning. It's 7:30 almost. Had a night shift, and as you can see, haven't uploaded a lot in the last couple of weeks because, like, I got some other YouTube projects. I had something going on not long ago, where it took us a lot of time, a lot of effort to put in. It's my gun channel. We're kind of trying to let it live again, revive it, kind of with some new stuff. And we've been really busy. And since then, my life was crazy. We had a lot going on, really a lot. So that's why I kind of stopped doing my vlog channel, which is in German, and also stopped uploading for my gun channel. But soon the gun channel is starting again. Now I wanted to film a little video because, like, the sunset is beautiful. It's a little cloudy today, a little fresh, cold. Normally it's a lot warmer that time around the year, but still it's nice. And yeah, I had some things up to do. As you can hear, blinker is still going way too fast. Let me know what kind of problems you've experienced with that. It's like my lights, they work well. I don't know which part is broken. If it's just a safety switch or whatever that's broken. So my car runs great. That's something I wanted to just let you know. It runs great. Still a lot of fun to drive it. Sometimes I think it's performing even better. I haven't had the time and money to get myself a tune-in. What I've seen in many videos helps a lot. But maybe one day I will get one. So soon up, I want to tint the windows, get some, I don't know how these things are called, those window guards, I guess. And also I need to clean this whole thing. I'm thinking about a detailing video. Maybe I get some stuff together and do a nice detailing. I mean, it's not much to do with that car. From the outside, it's more to do. I haven't cleaned it since I bought it last year in June, which was 2022. June of 22, it's when I bought it, I guess. Now it's May 23. It hasn't seen any kind of wash. Like, I wiped it down, washed it myself a little bit. I never went through a car wash with it, and I haven't fixed the color. There's a couple of dents and, like, chipped off colors all around the car. Which the paint, yeah, the paint. I'm sorry, not just the color. It's the paint. It's morning, 12 hours night shift. Kind of leaves me a little confused sometimes. So yeah, the paint must be redone on a couple spots, which we will do soon. And also my lights. The lights in the front still foggy and milky. You can't barely see through them. And the light bulbs, they're weak. It's like having no light on in the night. So it's really a mess. I found beautiful headlights and real lights. They're black. They look awesome. I hope it looks even better when installed. So that's the next couple of videos I'm trying to do. And I think the really next one after this one will be an EDC video. It's like, I wanted to go over my whole EDC, what I put into the car, what I have in this car, because it's changed recently, and trying to organize a few things. So I wanted to give you a rundown on that, maybe a short video. And while talking about that, thank you guys for watching the first video that I put up, the whole review on this car. It hit already like 400 views, which is great, because like I have like 16 followers. So that's really, really cool to see that you enjoyed it. It's like overall, thumbs up. No one's really hating it. I'm glad about that, because I get a lot of hate for some other videos sometimes. Just, I don't know, I have some haters. That's something maybe all of the YouTubers have. Like everyone has that. Okay, it's getting too warm. My nose is starting to get stuffed. So, okay. Now, I just wanted to give you that drive from now on, without talking too much, putting a little music over it, just enjoying the vibe that I'm having with this car. Whenever I drive it, it's the vibe that I have. And I love to listen to, you know, synthwave, retrowave. Kind of like it goes so well with that car. The smooth, chilling, riding, straight up cruising with this car makes it feel so much better. So enjoy the drive, and hopefully see you next video when we go over the review of the whole EDC. And with every new stuff that I install, I will do another video on how much the costs were since I got the car, how much I put into it, and how much it would cost you to run a car like that. I think that's interesting and give you my perspective on it. So yeah guys, enjoy. I'll hit some music up here, don't get copyright claim, so I give you some YouTube music. See you then. guys. Hope you enjoyed the little ride, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other channels, check out the other videos, and hopefully see you next time here at CrownRick. See you then.